Hello and welcome to the review of the LSL code. First of all, I'll be looking at my doormat, which opens the door. To do this, it uses the collision start event. Door opener, yeah, yeah, to send an open message on the channel -1234. The door, which is listening on channel -1234, which is listening on channel -1234 for the doormat to say open, will then get the local rotation, apply a plus 90 degree rotation to this in order to open the door, as long as it is not already declared as open. Then it sets the timer event to run in 4 seconds to close the door, and finally sets the door to be open. So when the timer event when the timer event occurs, the same process is followed, but in reverse and with a -90 degree rotation. Then as well as declaring the timer event to 0 so that it doesn't trigger once again. Moving inside the house, I have created this button over here, which will change all of the walls around it to different colors. Now, let's see, to either red, green, or blue, depending on its state. So, to do this, it LL says on channel 1336 the color name. Looking at the wall script, looking at the wall script, it has a list of color names and vectors, and uses a vector getColor to find the correct color from the name entered. Then it's a case of listening on the channel and setting the color based on the message received. Okay, so let's pop back outside. Now, here is next up is the notice board, which gives a note card based to the user based on whether they are the owner or just another person. Then it will give them a different config. This could be used to hold different information on things for the owner to access easily, but not other people. So, there you go. And then the guest config is, okay. The next script is the surfboard change color script, which, if I just quickly, no, not at the moment, okay, which if I just touch the surfboard, brings up a dialog box, which works using the dialog in order to get which color you wish to set the surfboard to. And works similarly to the wall color change script, but uses a dialog as the means for getting the information rather than another object. So if we just go there, as you can see, it uses the dialog to get the information across when it's listening on that channel. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Finally, there is the surfboard script that will allow itself to be attached when the owner is within a 5-meter radius of the object's current position. Ooh. Okay, there we go. It just took a second. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so this attaches the surfboard to the owner's left foot. This is done using the sensor event. So if we just, yeah, this is done using the sensor event, using sensor repeat, which every 10 seconds searches for the owner within a 5-meter radius of the object's current position. When trying to attach an object to a person, you need to get the owner's permission. Then after this, it will attach to the avatar. If you want the owner, it will message you saying, "Sorry, owner only." To reset asking for permission after detaching and basically on res, the on res event checks whether the surfboard is attached, and if not, it will reset the script. Otherwise, the surfboard would reattach without asking for permission, which obviously you may not want. So yeah.